One more time.
We all know that dancing is a good form of cardio, but at this downtown Manhattan dance studio, classes are about more than just burning calories.
I'm so in love with you, and I need you to just feel that, like, when you can't contain it anymore, and it has to come out kind of feeling.
Since 2015, DivaDance Company promotes self-love and positive body image across 18 cities nationwide. Chantel Sarita, who is responsible for acquiring new instructors, says the company's goal is to empower women.
Well, we're definitely a squad that inspires confidence and community amongst all. We're all levels, so someone can come and take our class who has never danced before in their life and dance next to somebody who's taking our classes every single day, and both of them are having a good time. So it really is about slaying your cardio. You get a good workout, you have a good time, where you connect with each other and with clients, and it's really about that community.
DivaDance embraces an increased focus on wellness and self-care in society and is as much mental as it is physical. Each session here begins in a unique and uplifting way.
We start out all of our classes with community time, so we have the clients answer a question and talk to each other and kind of give them a chance to communicate and connect.
Barbecue chicken pizza. And then all the donuts.
And when we do that, it opens up the space for it to feel safe and for clients to really come in and have a good time.
Abby Salazar says that this supportive environment is what sets DivaDance apart.
I've tried the other dance studios and it was really very serious, and it felt like everyone was a professional dancer. And I was there and I was like, oh, yeah, I'm not supposed to be here, you know. But DivaDance is a little bit more relaxed, but you still get to learn like how to dance.
3, 4, dip, 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 left, right, boom, boom.
Instructor Anna Kufari says that at DivaDance, the community continues after the music stops.
So it's not just a class you come into and then you go home and whatever. Like we're friends on social media. A lot of the girls that I are my clients are my friends too, and we all support each other. Like one of the girls, she cut my hair last week, you know, so we're all supporting each other in these different ways. There's so much more to it than just a dance class.
Kufari believes that communities like these are an important part of today's chaotic, fast-paced world.
For women, for men, for everything in between, just having a community that you can always go to, especially in a city like New York, where you feel alone so much, even though there's so many people, it's really important to just find your safe haven. And I think that's what DivaDance is to a lot of people.
For NYU Now, I'm Marielle Marlies.